Gracias Dios, gracias. Gracias Dios mío por darme esta oportunidad, por favor.
I'm thankful to God for giving me another chance. I was with Him. God, I did not want to die. It was 95 days. I ate roaches, birds. The last thing I ate was turtles. I didn't want to die. My mother is alive, and I said I didn't want to die because of my mother. I have a 2-month-old granddaughter. I held on to her. I thought about my mother every day. I had no water. I lived on rainwater. God is great. That's all I can tell you. God is beautiful. He protected me because sometimes I'd spend 7 days without eating. In the end, I spent 15 days without eating. I thank God, but I'll speak to you later. Right now, I want to be with my family.